Hello, in this video we will discuss recursion in C. What is recursion? And we will look at an example how to calculate factorial using recursion. So let's start the video. A function calling itself is called recursion. When a function calls itself, then this process is called recursion. Let's take this example of calculating factorial. First, we have declared a function whose name is rec. His return type is integer, and takes an argument, one argument of integer. This is declaration. Then we have this main function where the process starts. First, we take two variables. One name is in a, second is fact. A is a variable which takes a number. As you can see in C, this is printf. Enter any number. This is shown on the screen. User enters a number and it gets saved in A using scanf. Then we have this rec which calculates the factorial. A is passed an argument. When it calculates the factorial, it is saved in fact variable. Then at last it is shown on the screen. Factorial value is shown. Let's see how the output works. It is shown on the screen. Enter any number. The user enters 3 and all the numbers less than the entered number are multiplied. We have 3, then less than 2, less than 1. All these are multiplied, we get 6. The factorial value is printed on the screen as 6. Then if users enter 4, then all the numbers less than 4 are multiplied with 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. 24 1s are 24. The value 24 factorial is printed on the screen. Then we have the rec function which is defined here. As you can see, it takes an argument x which is integer. In the inside we have defined we have declared f. If x is 1, then 1 is returned, else the function will call itself and it is multiplied with x and the factorial is returned to the function. Here this is function rec calling itself, and it calls again and again, and finally it returns f. Let's take a look at this recursion function, how it works. When x value is 3, then as you can see, x equal to 1, that condition is false. 3 equal to 1 is false, as 3 is not equal to 1, so 1 is not returned, and it goes to the else. Here f is equal to x which is 3 is multiplied with x minus 1 recursion. So x minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is passed to the recursion function again. 2 goes to the same function rec. Here x value is 2. X value is 2. Again we check the condition, 2 equal to 1, which is false. So we come here in the else part. Here x value is 2 and a recursion function gets value of 1, as the x value is 1, x minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 is passed to the recursion function again. As it goes here, x value is 1. Then we compare. If x is equal to 1, so here 1 is equal to 1. Here it returns 1, here it returns 1 here, so 1 is multiplied by 2, we get answer 2. 2 is returned back here, 2 returns here, so here x value was 3. 3 is multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6, so f value is 6, and 6 is returned to the original recursion function and it is shown on the screen. So in this way factorial is calculated when a function calls itself again and again. As you can see how it works. If you have any questions you can ask in comment. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos related to algorithm and information technology videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.